Yo, what it do, YouTube? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video. I told y'all we finna have these weekly uploads, like I said in the last video. If y'all didn't tune into that video, make sure y'all tune into that video right now. You feel me? But first off, appreciate everybody to get me to 400 subscribers, big 400, road to 500. Y'all the real ones. Everybody that's been tuning in with the channel since I started, I appreciate everybody. My fault if I'm sweating overly hard right now. I'm beating in the sun right now. But what was I saying? I appreciate everybody that got me to 400 subscribers. Y'all the real ones. We're on the road to 500. So y'all already know. Make sure y'all like, comment, share the video, share it with your homies, all of that. But man, y'all stay tuned for today. I'm gonna do a little POV drive at a whip from the inside, from the house on the Mexico highways. I don't know if y'all also, if anybody that hasn't seen my whip on the outside, but we gonna hop on those Mexico highways today, get that little POV drive, probably hit another lot like this, get a little sideways. But y'all just stay tuned for this full video. Like I said, I appreciate everybody that got me to 400 subscribers. Y'all the real ones. But I'll pick up the camera once I'm on the highway. Yes, sir. What it do, YouTube? We's back in the whip. Y'all seen cooling was overly low. Shit was about to overly heat. But I got all of that taken care of. About to hop on this little highway in Mexico. Y'all can see the whip. Y'all see I got the screen fixed. Y'all know that screen was down bad for a fat old minute. I don't know what's going on right here. Y'all see this dude? Forgot on my helmet and shit. Be a crossing guard and shit. Hell no. Yo, this dude funny as hell. But yeah, I'm about to hop on this highway and we gonna get this POV. Y'all gonna see me whipping the big RT action. I got this pedal box too. I don't know if y'all know about that pedal box. Hit Me Life 44 from Texas. Let me know if y'all want to see a video on this. I might still make a video. But yeah, this is a pedal box. So I'm gonna show y'all on my phone. It's basically all the settings right here for the pedal box. I got that junk in sport right now, and we're gonna see how it is. I'll probably put my car in sport mode too. I'll be forgetting since I got my radio back. I wasn't able to touch this at all for like the longest time period. But the highway right here, we finna hop on that thing. We finna open this bad boy up. Y'all gonna see this boat moving in action, getting through traffic. But how y'all doing? Y'all drop a comment, let me know how y'all feeling, how y'all living, how y'all day going, all of that. Also drop a comment, let me know what type of videos y'all like seeing from the kid. You know, I like them sliding videos, you feel me? I like them installs and shit too though. God, I'm low-key supposed to be getting a Wicker Bill spoiler from somebody in the Chicagoland area pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. That'll be pretty dope, because I told y'all I'm looking for a spoiler. This dude just walking, he was finna get his ass hit. But yes sir. About to get rolling. But man, y'all stay tuned for the channel though. My bad for not talking. I got a lot of stuff planned. I'm still trying to get this wrap on my car before the end of summer. I just hit up a person about the wrap not too long ago. So I'm just really stacking for the cash right now for all of that. Then we're gonna get that situated. But we finna get through this traffic tripping right now. Y'all hear that junk, say no scat, but man, when I get a scat, it's gonna be crazy out here. But yeah, like I said, I'm trying to get a rap. I don't know, y'all drop a comment, y'all guess what type of rap. It's gonna be like some crazy old rap, like you probably wouldn't even imagine. It probably low-key don't even go in my seats too much, but I think it do, honestly. Y'all. I need to get through that open space. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can still hear like that sound. I don't know if hopefully it's not the differential. I still got a 12-month warranty from the company that I bought it from, or not bought it from, but got it worked on and everything. So I definitely will be taking it back there and telling them like, what's up. But everything seems fine. It really don't seem like, I don't hear it that much. I only hear it like through certain gears, the humming. But besides that, it's all Gucci. My fault for being all over the place. I'm trying to get through this traffic. This shit crazy. Time I get on the highway, it's traffic in this bit. Damn. I hope this shit is not, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go a different route, gang. We gonna have to POV of the streets until this traffic die down. Yes sir, we back on the highway, you feel me? And RT thing, big opening, so y'all gonna see this thing pull it. Let's try to do something right here, you feel me? Oh shit, they coming up on my eyes. Alright. About to be turning, be doing a buck over this, you feel me? Definitely should be able to get a few more pulls though. But man, y'all drop in the comments, let me know what y'all think of the whip. I'm trying to obviously do something to the car before it can have more some more power. I just don't know which route I want to go. Either way I'm gonna be dropping a bag with Mopar for sure. Ain't no cheap route of like becoming like getting like a decent amount of power, you feel me? Like even I know like even if I do like a long tube header setup and like a cam, that's still gonna be running me the bag. So I'm just trying to come up with the best route, figure that out. But we definitely finna get that soon. Big Tesla. Got a wrap on that thing too. That little junk looking nasty. Try to get around this dude. I'm trying to zoom. But yeah, my fault if the video all over the place. I know this is my first POV drive. Y'all probably like, what the hell is this dude talking about? But man, y'all just bear with me, you feel me? But yes sir. Able to do it. I need more space, you feel me? Or else I would still be going. I need to hit the track, no bap. But y'all see it. I don't know if y'all watch my video like when I first had my when I first got my 392 gear rag installed and I had all my homies in a whip, and I was trying to show y'all the highway footage 60 to like 120. I'm still not like able to hit 120 right now. Still a bunch of traffic out here, but we trying to get to it. low-key, honestly, my honest opinion about 392 Getrag, like, it's definitely decent. Like, I could see a difference, but it ain't no like super crazy difference, like nothing like dramatic. Like, you're not finna get the 392 Getrag and be just like walking any car or whatever, but like you definitely be able to see like the difference off the go sometimes. Not sometimes, definitely all the time. But it's just like, I don't know if I spend. That's why I'm glad I bought it used, because like, but like, even though I bought it used, I still had to spend $1,500 to get it fixed. But like, I don't know if I buy it again. I'll probably go with the 306 Getrag, because I think it's like $600 cheaper. And with the 392, oh, we finna open it bit. Yes, sir. We in that good traffic, y'all see it though. RT be pushing it. I got to slow down on bro for the total to it. That'll be no good though. I don't even know what highway I'm on right now, to be honest. But y'all see it. RT be pulling for sure. But what I was saying about the 392 Getrag, it's a good Getrag. The tires be smoking like on command for sure. I hit the gas and all of that, boom, 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 you feel me? All of that. But it's just when I'm driving, like I say, like 90 miles an hour, I be cooling at these RPMs like crazy. But overall, I still like the differential. I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't put that 262 open differential back in my shit for sure. But it's just definitely, that's something you gotta think about if you're trying to do that. It's definitely gonna have your RPMs higher when you're driving on the highway. Even like when you're driving on the street, it's definitely like a little bit different. And I got a homie with the 306, and I'm gonna ask him next time I link up with him or some shit, and I'm gonna see how he fuck with his shit and all that. But besides that, it's decent, on God. But like I said, you be going like 90 miles an hour and you just cooling, damn near at 4,000. But like, shit, fuck it. But I'm trying to do another one of them pulls. That was decent, oh God. I appreciate y'all too if y'all tuned into this full video. Like I said, this video is all over the place. This is my first POV drive. I wanted to do a video like this a while ago, but my screen was cracked. So like, I wasn't even able to put it in sport mode, nothing like that. So I thought it would just been bogus, and my differential was messed up. So I got both of those fixed. So y'all see that big POV drive now. But I definitely want to make more POVs like this once I get more mods added to the whip as well, because y'all gonna see my reactions. I'll probably get like a camera mounted in the front so y'all can see like my face reaction and all that. But man, it's like I hit some more traffic. Oh God. But man,